Okay, here's an in process video. Coming up the stairs, I'm standing in this bedroom doorway, looking across. That's the door to the bathroom. To the right will be the craft room. And this is the door to my walk-through closet. So, walk through the closet, into the bedroom. Here's another doorway. This is going to be a wall. And this is another doorway into the bathroom. And that wall is the back of the bathtub. This floor has some rotten beams, so they're going to be replaced.